Howdy folks. Hey, I wanted to do a quick follow-up video on my new ProTuff pool products that I'm using, specifically the brush, the net, and the pole. If you haven't seen my reviews on those on my YouTube channel, please go to Pool School on YouTube and check them out. But I wanted to just touch on a perk or a benefit that I didn't realize was going to happen. It was obvious that they have the best warranty in the business. Again, to re-emphasize, free lifetime replacement warranty for all their products for residential pool owners, and a 50% free lifetime replacement warranty for pool service professionals like myself. And then again, I think the products, the quality is second to none. I think the efficiency of the products is great. The durability is amazing. And again, the price point, it's about a mid-level price point. So it's a great product all around. The company is amazing too. But one of the things I didn't realize and I didn't expect was the amount of time it would save me doing pools. I did a little experiment where I used my ProTuff product on one of my pools and then went back and used my regular old pool tools on the same pools. What I found was, on average, I saved between 1 and 2 minutes per pool using the ProTuff products. And one of the biggest reasons is two things. Number one is their quick release, quick insert clips, these things right here, the white things right there, and the mechanism right here for extending and shortening the pole. Between those two things, it shaves off, again, 1 to 2 minutes per pool. Now, let me put it in perspective for you. I average about 20 pools a day when I do my pool routes. So I'm saving between now 20 pools per day, I'm saving between 20 and 40 minutes per day doing pools. And I'm doing pools 3 days a week. So now you're talking about a time savings of 1 to 2 hours a week. And I don't know about you, but I put a very high premium on my free time. And I would much rather spend my time with my wife, my grown-up kids, or my grandkids, or doing something I love doing rather than servicing pools. Yeah, I know, I do like doing pools, but it's a job and it's what I do. I would much rather spend my free time doing something I really love doing. So if you're like me, I hope you feel the same way. So now we've got a product that has not only money savings, efficiency, it's got a second to none warranty in the industry, and now you've got time savings too. And again, one of the reasons I created my YouTube channel was to help people save money servicing their pool themselves and save time without compromising the quality of their maintenance of their pool. So with all that said, and now with the new time saving that I find that these tools allow me to do, there's really only two questions you need to ask yourself. Number one, how much is your time worth to you? And number two, when are you going to add the ProTuff products to your pool service regimen?